What's up, you guys? It is April 27th today, and it's 2:20 in the afternoon, and we're barely heading off to Laredo right now. Baby girl is in the back seat. You look so cute, mommies. She's wearing her little sandals with some, what are they called? Capris. Patty cake. Patty cake. And her purple shirt with flowers on it. I was actually going to put her boots on her today, but her dad was like, no, because she's not going to be able to walk. Thing is, she can't walk in her freaking sandals either. Like, she'll trip over them because she hasn't worn them in a while. But she got the hang of it, so she's walking pretty normal now. I got attacked by ants, which sucks, but we're going to go to Laredo. I didn't have time to do my hair, so this is like my natural, just whatever hair. But we're gonna take off now. Messed up your hair.
My fart. What were you listening to?
I don't know, it's a station on Pandora, but I don't know which one it is. It's the MC Magic radio.
MC Magic?
Yes, those are the jams. The songs. I know all his songs. So
there's one particular song that we used to listen to a lot from him.
I know, that's why I like him.
How's it go?
Something about a pretty girl and brown eyes. I know that much. We were about to start shopping, but baby had an accident. She peed and it went through her pants. So now I have to, now we have to change her diapers. Something exciting. It went all over your leg. I know. How did he lock me in if he took the keys? So we just got here to another Best Buy. Well, we just left one Best Buy and we came to the other one to pick some stuff up that they didn't have in stock at the other one. But you guys, I have the best husband in the entire world. I got my camera! So for Mother's Day, he kept asking me like what I was gonna want and stuff. Or I think he asked me like once, and then I told him first that I wanted a KitchenAid mixer to bake cakes because I like to bake. And I had told him at first to get me that, if not to get me a vacuum. My vacuum is really good. I just don't have a mixer. But I don't know where to put you guys. I'll just put y'all right there. I started telling him, you know, how YouTube is kind of like my job now. So I had taken a break for like about a week or so because I think you're entitled to take a break every now and then. And then I had gotten sick and all that, so I took a break. But you guys know that anyone who has seen all my videos knows that I'm pretty consistent with uploading. If I don't upload every day, it's every day, and then like I'll skip maybe a day or two, only if I'm really like, if we're not doing anything. But for the most part, I'm really good at being consistent and uploading very often. I have the iPhone 10 or X, whatever you want to call it, and I also have iMovie on my phone, and that was super convenient for me at the after I had Grecia, because I was able to vlog, edit at night, upload the next day, and that's how I was super consistent. Got pregnant. I filmed with the Sony a5000 throughout my pregnancy.
Phone shoots in 4K.
And so now I do have the Canon G7X Mark II. So now all my videos are only going to get a little bit better. But I wanted, I told him that I wanted this one because if you guys have the Sony camera, whether it's the a5000 or 51,000, is that how you say it?
The A56.
Whichever one, they're good for like vlogging, but I've heard that they heat up really fast, so I couldn't do like a makeup video on this camera. He's saying that it doesn't heat up. I've heard that it does. but I've also never had that problem because I never filmed a makeup video using this camera for that reason. So I got a new camera for Mother's Day. And I'm super excited. So excited. And then I also got the...
You could've got the other one.
The... What is this?
Manfrotto.
Manfrotto? Manfrotto tripod thing that, you know, every vlogger uses. So I got this one.
The one I want is similar to this, but it's like straight. No tiene bolita ni nada.
Because I think this is perfect, like, to grip it. I'm in control of the camera. So I'm super duper excited, so you guys can expect... I don't really like it because it moves and then it's all chuequito and stuff. So expect more vlogs, more cleaning vlogs, whatever. Let me know what you guys want to see so I can do that. Alright guys, so it's the next day. We didn't finish vlogging yesterday just because we ended up getting home super late. You guys saw that we were playing with Grecia at Bert's co-worker's house. Actually went because they invited us over for a barbecue. So we ended up leaving from there pretty late. It was like 10 o'clock when we left their house. And then right after that we went to H-E-B and we just went to go buy some groceries and stuff. And by the time we got home it was super late and we were all super tired. Grecia was already asleep, so I vlog what we bought, but we literally just bought like meat and stuff to cook throughout the week. She hasn't been feeling so great. She's had like diarrhea. She's gone potty 3 times today and it has just been really watery. So that's why I haven't vlogged either, but this morning we just woke up, we went to go buy dog food, and we bought some lunch, and she has been asleep, so there's not much that we're gonna do today except for like watch movies and stuff. So I'm not vlogging today just because I'm taking care of her, and you know, like she's sick and all that, so we're not gonna do much. And as far as the kitchen, like the part up there, the white stuff, we are not going to be fixing anything this week. That's gonna have to be postponed till later, but Bert said he was gonna at least cover around the microwave, so I'll show you guys that in another vlog. But we're gonna take a couple things to storage because we finally cleaned out the corner where the window's at, right here. So we're taking everything, all of this stuff, down to the storage. So just so that we can make space in here and I can go ahead and upload this video because it's already 5:30 in the afternoon. And I am shooting on my new camera, the Canon G7X. That's what I'm filming on right now. So I did plug it in and stuff, so I'm hoping tomorrow I can film a makeup look for you guys. And yeah, I'm super excited that I have this camera, and by no means am I trying to brag. It's just my early Mother's Day gift, and it's for you guys also, for myself to enjoy and for you guys to enjoy watching us, right? Can you say bye? Oh, you're so cute. She waved, but you guys couldn't see it, so say bye-bye. We'll see you guys later. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.